सब बॉयज आज हम रैंक करने वाले WWE वुमेन्स डिवीजन को, सो लेट्स गो। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव द एस टियर और सबसे पहले विल पुट इन जेड कारगिल। स्मैकडाउन एक्चुअली रन्स थ्रू हर एंड शी इज आल्सो द करंट वुमेन्स चैंपियन। उसका ऑरा काफी क्रेजी एंड वन थिंग दैट इज मिसिंग इज अ बिट मोर टाइटल डिफेंसेस। नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव लिव मॉर्गन। आई डोंट थिंक मेरे को इसके बाद कुछ बोलना भी चाहिए बिकॉज लिव मॉर्गन आई थिंक हर नेम इज इनफ टू बी इन द एस टियर एंड आई थिंक शी इज नॉट जस्ट विनिंग, वो पीसेस भी मूव कर रही है एंड आई थिंक उसका स्टोरी लाइन काफी क्रेजी होने वाला है आगे जाके एंड आई थिंक शी इज गॉट द माइक स्किल्स, शी इज गॉट द इन रिंग परफॉर्मेंस एज वेल एंड उसका कैरेक्टर वर्क बहुत क्रेजी है। नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव रिया रिप्ली। शी इज करंटली द टैग चैंप विद ईओ राइट नाउ, बट हम सबको पता है शी इज गोइंग बैक टू द सिंगल्स डोमिनेंस एसएप एंड आई थिंक रिया रिप्ली का जो कैरेक्टर वर्क है दैट्स टॉप नॉच एंड आई थिंक शी डिजर्व्स टू बी on the S tier. Next up हम S tier में डालेंगे Io Sky को। She is one of the best in-ring wrestlers in the world and I'm not even capping and I think she is one of the wrestlers जिसके matches कभी भी मेरे को disappoint नहीं करते हैं, so Io Sky genuinely deserves to be in that S tier. Next up we'll put Becky Lynch in the S tier. She just won the women's intercontinental title again Maxine Dupri को हरा के। I think Becky Lynch mid-card belts को एकदम premium और I think equal to world titles feel करवाती है and I think when we are talking about the S tier Becky Lynch has to go there. Next up we have Charlotte Flair, 14-time world champion Ric Flair की बेटी। I think she is just crazy and I think उसका comeback जब भी होता है it is just a main event threat. She is built different, she goes to the S tier. Next up we have the A tier. A tier में जाएगी Tiffany Stratton. She is very athletic, she is very confident. I think उसने काफी weight भी lose किया. She is jacked, ripped, whatever you wanna call it. And I think she is built for the big feud. So I think Tiffany goes to the A tier. Next up we have Raquel Rodriguez. She is a powerhouse and I think most people will agree with me. कुछ लोग मुझसे agree नहीं करेंगे कि मैंने उसको A tier में क्यों डाला, but I think she is a powerhouse और वो हर एक move को बहुत ज़्यादा crazy करती है. And I think Raquel is on her trajectory upward and probably the next women's world heavyweight champion. Next up we have Alexa Bliss. She has a crazy supernatural gimmick. उसके mic skills elite है and I think she's always TV ready. She has to be on the A tier. Next up we have Bianca Belair. She is the longest women's title reign ever and मेरे को लगता है उसकी जो चोटी है that deserves to be in the A tier. Next up we have Stephanie Vaquer. She won the women's world title before just getting hurt and I think she is a technical monster जिसकी hype काफी global and I think she deserves to be in the A tier. Next up we have Bayley. काफी crazy storylines होती है इसकी and I think she can talk, she can wrestle and I think that's more than enough for Bayley to be in the A tier. Next up we have Asuka. She just lost the tag belts but I think she is still one of the most dangerous submission wrestlers alive. अब हम चलते हैं B tier की तरफ and we have Lyra Valkyria. I think she is crazy. She flies high. She is a powerhouse as well and I think उसका mid card जो title runs है उसने उसको momentum दे दिया and this could be the big year for her. She could probably jump into the A tier 1-2-3 साल बाद. I don't know when. Next up in the B tier we'll have Chelsea Green. I think she's a Karen heel comedic gold और हर segment she's in she steals the show and I personally love watching her and you know why, man. And next up we have the charismatic Maxine Dupri. She had a great 49-day Intercontinental Championship run. I was pretty happy with it. Most people weren't because they think she's very bad in the ring, which was true at a while, but मेरे को लगता है उसने काफी ring work improve करा है अपना. Next up in the B tier we have Roxanne Perez. She's the former NXT champ, Judgment Day member और एक future star. And I think इस tier को हम खत्म करते हैं Nikki Bella के साथ. She's a legend. She's a part-timer but still she's a star. Now coming to an end with the C tier, we'll put Zelina Vega, Piper Niven, Alba Fire and Nikki Cross. I think Zelina Vega काफी solid है but उसकी storylines उतनी ज़्यादा crazy नहीं होती. Then we have Piper Niven, she is the powerhouse, पर उस पे spotlight कभी नहीं होती है. And then you have Alba Fire. I think in ring talent के हिसाब से she is great but उसके पास कोई storyline नहीं है similar to Piper Niven. Next up we have Nikki Cross, सिर्फ character work है and I don't think she's just as great. And that's the list. If you think you want to change something, drop your thoughts in the comments down below. मैं उनको ज़रूर पढ़ूंगा and let's go.